Imagine a home where cleaning takes care of itself, where you can enjoy spotless floors without lifting a finger. That's the power of the ILIFE T20s self-emptying robot vacuum and mop combo. Click the links in the description and the first pinned comment to see how it can revolutionize your home. The ILIFE T20s is not just a vacuum, it's a comprehensive cleaning solution designed to make your life easier. With a potent 5,000 pH suction, this robot vacuum effortlessly lifts dust, debris, and even pet hair from your floors, leaving them immaculate. The real game changer, however, is its self-emptying base. Equipped with a powerful 25,000 PA cyclone dust collection system, it ensures your vacuum is always ready for the next cleaning cycle, without you having to worry about emptying the bin for up to 60 days. This is convenience at its finest. But what truly sets the ILIFE T20s apart is its advanced navigation and mapping system. Using cutting-edge LiDAR technology, the T20 scans your home at an astonishing 3,600 times per minute, creating a detailed map of your environment. This precise mapping allows the T20s to navigate efficiently, avoiding obstacles and ensuring every corner of your home is thoroughly cleaned. Plus, with its ability to store multiple maps, it's perfect for multi-level homes. Not just a vacuum, the ILIFE T20s is also a highly effective mop. It features an intelligent water tank with electronically controlled water output, allowing you to customize the water level based on your floor type. Whether you need a gentle mop for delicate hardwood or a thorough scrub for tile floors, the T20s has you covered. And with its Y-shaped mopping pattern, it mimics manual mopping for a more effective clean. Controlling the ILIFE T20s is incredibly simple, thanks to the ILIFE Home app. From scheduling cleanings to selecting specific areas to clean, the app gives you full control over your cleaning routine. And for even more convenience, the T20s is compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can start a cleaning cycle with just your voice. Durability and longevity are at the core of the ILIFE T20's design. Its NIDEC brushless motor is not only powerful but also energy efficient, providing up to 150 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Whether you have a small apartment or a large home, the T20s is capable of handling it all. And with its anti-collision and anti-drop sensors, it navigates your home with ease, avoiding obstacles and protecting your furniture. The ILIFE T20s is designed with your lifestyle in mind. Plus, with its auto boost feature, it automatically increases suction power when it detects carpets, ensuring a deep clean on all floor types. But the ILIFE T20s doesn't just clean your floors, it improves the air quality in your home too. Its HEPA filter captures 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it an excellent choice for households with allergy sufferers or pets. Imagine breathing cleaner air while enjoying spotless floors, all without lifting a finger. Why wait to experience this level of convenience and cleanliness? The ILIFE T20s is ready to transform your home into a cleaner, healthier environment. With its combination of powerful suction, advanced navigation, and smart features, it's more than just a cleaning device. It's a valuable addition to your home. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own the ILIFE T20's self-emptying robot vacuum and mop combo. Click the links below to purchase yours today and start enjoying a new standard of clean. Your home deserves the best, and the ILIFE T20s delivers exactly that. Click now.